Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start exercise 5C of book D3 8th edition and question number 4 we have to start. In this what they are saying, find the equation of each of the following straight lines given the gradient and the coordinates of the point that lies on it. Means gradient is given, you just have to find the y-intercept from the given equation and we will get the our equation. Okay, question number 4, part A. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is our general form. Now the value of m is given, that is 1 by 3. So our equation will become y is equal to 1 by 3 x plus c. Since the point 0 0 lies on this point, on this line, so point 0 and 0 lies on the line, so it will become, in place of y, this is x, this is y. So in place of y it is 0, 1 by 3, x is 0. So that means the value of c is 0. This is your equation star. You have to put back your value of c in that equation. So 1 by 3 x, this is your answer for this part. Moving towards the next part, that is in which the gradient is given, that is 3, and the point is given 1 and 1. So the question is part B, in which the gradient is given, that is m is given 3 and point is given 1 and 1. So by using the same equation, y is equal to mx plus c, in place of m I will write 3x plus c. Since this point 1 1 lies, this is x, this is y, so I will put the value of y, this is 3 into 1 plus c. 1 is equal to 3 plus c, so 1 minus 3, this is equal to c, so c is equal to minus 2. This you have to put back in your equation star. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. This is your answer. Remember that you have to give your equation if they are asking about the equation. अगर आप यहाँ तक आंसर लिखेंगे सो दैट मीन आपके जो आंसर के मार्क्स होते हैं 0.5 या जितने भी हैं वो आपके डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. पार्ट सी इज़ gradient m is given, that is minus 3, and point is given 2 and minus 5. So y is equal to mx plus c, that is minus 3x plus c. The value of this is x, this is y. I will put that minus 5 is equal to minus 3 into 2 plus c, minus 5 is equal to minus 6 plus c. This minus 6 will come over here, it will become plus 6 is equal to c, c is equal to 1. I have to put back all the values in equation star. So y is equal to minus 3x plus 1. This is, sorry, minus 3x plus 1. This is your final answer for this. Okay. Moving towards the next part, that is part D. And part D is, in part D, m is given, that is minus 1 by 2, and point is given, that is 5 and 7. M is given, so I will put y is equal to mx plus c, so minus 1 by 2 x plus c, this is x, this is y. I will just put the values. 7 is equal to minus 1 by 2, x is 5 plus c. So 7 is equal to minus 5 by 2 plus c. This 5 by 2 will come over here and is equal to c. Taking the LCM, it will become 14 plus 5 by 2 is equal to c. So this implies c is equal to 19 by 2. Putting this value in your equation star, so y will become minus 1 by 2 x plus 19 by 2. Moving towards the next part, that is part E. And in part E, it is gradient is given, that is 0, and point is given. Okay. For part E, when the gradient is 0, m is equal to 0, and point is given, that is 5 and 4. So this equation will become 0x, that means it is x, y is equal to c. For x is this, y is this. For the value of c, this is your equation star. For the value of c, you will put the values. 4 is equal to c. So again put back the values, y is equal to 4. This is your final answer. Part F is, in which gradient m is equal to a and the value of the point is 0 and a. Okay, gradient m y is equal to mx plus c, so that means it will become ax plus c. This is x, this is y. The value of y is a, x is 0 plus c, so that means c is equal to a, because this whole term will become 0. C is equal to a, putting back in equation star, so you will get y is equal to ax plus a. Clear? Moving towards the next question, that is question number 5. Okay, so in question number 5, write down the equation of straight line which passes through the origin. So that means our point is origin 0, 0, and the gradient, that is m is equal to 2. So in the general equation, it will become y is equal to mx, that is 2x plus c. This is x, this is y, this is our equation star. Putting the values, 0 is equal to 2 into 0 plus c, so the value of c is 0. Putting back the values, y is equal to 2x plus 0, so that means y is equal to 2x is my answer. Okay, the question number 6. In each of the following diagram, find the gradient and the y-intercept of the line where possible. State the equation of each line. Okay, over here, your question number 6 part A, you have to write down the equation of each line. Equation of each line, we know that जब आपके पास when the line is horizontal, so that mean यहाँ पे y axis पूरा क्या होता है, the value of y is always 0. So this equation is always in the form of sorry, when the line is horizontal, so that mean x, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई x की वैल्यू नहीं है, x is constant, so x कुछ भी नहीं है, so ये वैल्यू, this value is for the y, so the my equation will be equal to question number 6 part A. My equation will be equal to y is equal to, and this line is passing through 1, y is equal to 1. There is no value of gradient, that means gradient is equal to 0, and y intercept जो है वो आपके पास क्या है, 1 है, क्योंकि हमारे पास जनरल इक्वेशन क्या होती है, y is equal to mx plus c. यहाँ पे c की वैल्यू 1 है, m कुछ भी नहीं है, that means 0, means x की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. When the line is horizontal, this line was horizontal, so its value is in terms of y. When the line is vertical, its value will be in terms of x. So इसकी equation क्या बनेगी, x is equal to 1.5. ठीक हो गया, x is equal to 1.5 बनेगी. यहाँ पे आपके पास पार्ट बी की इक्वेशन बनेगी x इज़ इक्वल टू 1.5. यहाँ पे आपके पास y इंटरसेप्ट की वैल्यू कोई नहीं होती, और ग्रेडियंट यहाँ पे क्या होता है, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट लाइन है, सो अनडिफाइन होता है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ग्रेडियंट वर्टिकल लाइन में, यह हम लोगों ने पहले पढ़ा हुआ है. ओके, पार्ट सी की तरफ अगर आप आते हैं, सो पार्ट सी में वी हैव 2 पॉइंट्स. This point, at this point, the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 0. At this point means 2 points I am having. Part C, I am having 2 points, that is one point is 1 and 0, and second point is 0 and minus 1. With the help of this, I will find out the gradient, and the formula for gradient, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, so minus 1 divided by minus 1, answer is 1. So equation will become y is equal to x plus c. Now the line, you can choose any of the point. If I am choosing 1 0, so it is 0 is equal to 1 plus c, so the value of c is equal to minus 1. Putting back in equation star, so you will get y is equal to x minus c. This is your final equation. Okay, part D is, in part D I am having the points over here. This is y-axis, so that means x is 0 over here. So part D, points of one point is 0 and 1, and the other point is 2 and 0. So I will find out the gradient with the help of same formula, x1 y1 x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, that is 0 minus 1, x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 0. So minus 1 by 2. Putting in the equation, y is equal to mx minus 1 by 2x plus c. This is your equation star. Okay, equation star. After equation star, I can put any of the point. If I am choosing the point, I am choosing that is 0 and 1. I will put in it. It will become 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 0 plus c. This whole term will become 0, so the value of c is 1. Putting back the value, y is equal to minus 1 by 2 x plus 1. So this is all about question number 6. See you in the next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.